Good morning, this is Jeff Weinstein of Weinstein Law, and this is the Morning News Report. We bring you these reports to continually discuss what we believe to be the golden rule of driving, and that is no one has the right to needlessly endanger another member of our community. It seems like when we report these collisions that they're so horrific. And here is another example. Five members, five people have died in a Dallas wreck when two SUVs collide head-on. A Colorado family was killed in a fiery crash when they were hit by a driver traveling the wrong way as they returned from a baseball tournament in Dallas. All four members of the Colorado family were killed in the crash that happened this past Sunday on US 287. The wrong way driver crashed into their Hummer H3, was announced dead at the scene as well. And of course, our thoughts and prayers go out to all of these families and what they must be going through. Authorities say that alcohol is a possible factor in the wreck. Well, okay. So we don't necessarily, I didn't see in the report, it says daybreak Sunday. I don't know necessarily about what time that is, but assuming 6 7ish a.m. in the morning, and at that time you're not truly anticipating. I guess you could say you never truly anticipating someone would be driving down the wrong way of a U.S. 4-lane road, but this story tells us and reminds us that we must always drive defensively. So if we go back to our golden rule, obviously this driver had no right to be traveling the wrong way down US 287. What should we do to protect ourselves? This driver also apparently was under the influence of alcohol. I've often wondered how difficult it must be to actually get on the highway going the wrong way, but if your senses are impaired by alcohol or drugs, or even I guess if you were tired, it's certainly a possibility. And since it is a possibility, I think you have to constantly be on the lookout for someone that might be driving the wrong way down the roadway. Suggestion, maybe always travel in the right-hand lane, leave yourself an out so that you see a car coming. You have the opportunity to veer right off the roadway quicker than if you were in the fast lane. You're not going to be left with too many options. I think the statistics prove most people will turn to the right if they're right-handed when they see another vehicle coming their way. I don't know whether that's true or not. All I know is this. We have several violations of our golden rule that has resulted in true tragedies for all families involved in this horrific wreck.